Hi, Karen. I wanted to write or send a video here because I'm looking at your file and uh, I see the same error. And so you asked, why are you getting these wrong? And really, 99% of the time, if um, my lab is telling you that it's incorrect, then it is incorrect, and it is. So if you take a look at this uh, J, what you have here is you're saying if um, I6 through I32 equals a Y, but in this instance, you're only looking at this record, right? This one rental. So you only want to look at that person's gas option, right? Because it's not an aggregate. We're not looking at something across a range. So what you would have to do in J is you just want this to be that record that you're looking at. So is that one rental of a car choosing the gas option? If they are, then they get whatever the gas cost is, which right now is that 75. Otherwise, they get a 0. So if you then click down, you'll see that each of these individually are looking at what that particular rental agreement listed as a gas option. So that's that first one. And so that's a simple change. You're copying it. You're not using that entire range because you're only looking at that one customer's rental. Then here, it's the same. You did the same error here. That's why I wanted to make the movie. So if we come over to client data, you are once again doing an entire range, but you really are only wanting for this row 2, you only want to take Dawn's name and change it. So that's all we want to do is take that one. You keep wanting to make it into arrays, and that's not what you're supposed to do. So then we can copy it down. So think about, and I think part of what's confusing is when we were doing these, we were looking at the entire range because these are some aggregate statistics over this range of cells. How many chose the rewards payment method? We're not looking at an individual, did they do a payment method of rewards? In these, we were looking at the whole range, right? So that's one of the distinctions that you want to try and make is, am I looking at just, right? So these are stats just for that one rental agreement, right? These are looking at the entire set of data. All right, hopefully that helps. And I'm not sure. I mean, you could probably try and fix it and resubmit it because you would still be able to get a 90 because it's only a 10% loss per day. So if you get this and want to do that, you're gonna move from a B to an A on this assignment. But I mean, in reality, it's you only lost one. What is this? um, 2 2.1, right? So in the scheme of things, you're doing so well in this class. It's not a big deal. But I think the more important thing is understanding why these were incorrect. Let me know if you have any questions on it. All right, thank you.